Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. UK markets opened slightly lower, with the FTSE100 down 0.03% at 10,363.58. In Europe, the Euronext 100 edged up 0.03%, while Germany's DAX gained 0.04% as investors assessed developments following the first round of US-Iran talks. US markets were closed on Friday. In company news, Ocado reaffirmed its long-term leadership succession planning following recent market speculation, seeking to reassure investors over continuity plans for governance. Meanwhile, easyJet shares gained after the airline rejected a 625 pence per share takeover proposal from Castlelake, saying the offer undervalued the company. Against sterling, the US dollar and Australian dollar weakened, while the euro, Swiss franc and Japanese yen strengthened. Bitcoin rose. In commodities, copper rose, gold eased, Brent crude advanced and natural gas was slightly higher. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.